move to the other speaker. Let's start with architect Vinutha, who is the founder of Studio Vinami, along with her husband in Bangalore. It's a bamboo-based eco-friendly construction firm. Also focuses on many eco-friendly products made of bamboo for daily use. Let's listen to her talk now on how this transition happened in her life as an architect. Hi, Vinutha.
Hi guys, good evening everyone. Okay, I can't see myself. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, so like Raji said, I'm Vinutha. I did my architecture from RV College, Bangalore. When the way I got inspired into this is we were building a house during my 10th standard, I think. And then we got it designed from Jason sir. I'm sure everyone would have heard of him. So it was so interesting the way the concept, the forms. So I got truly inspired, and that's how I got into it. I was good in art, I would say, a bit. And yeah, I didn't want to do engineering and all that. So I think this was one of the options I had, and I got into it. And I really liked, I should say. Then after that, after I passed out, I worked with Jason sir for some time, and then worked with Satya sir. That is where I met Raji. So basically, I've always been interested in alternative practices and sustainable ideas. So I guess that's how I've just been associated with people like these. After that, I actually wanted to do masters, but then things didn't work out. Yeah, so it didn't work out. So I chose to do attend all other workshops. I attended several workshops in Auroville, then LBC, many other workshops in Bangalore, then workshop with Neelam Manjunath, where I got interested in bamboo. So that's how then I did a diploma there. And then during my internship, I went to Auroville Bamboo Center. That's where I got really inspired. And that's where I met my husband. And we today, both of them together, practice bamboo architecture in Bangalore. Yeah, so that's basically a short story of mine. I'll just show few pictures of what we are doing. Okay. Is it visible? Is the screen visible?
Yeah, it's visible.
Yeah. Okay. So this is one of the initial projects we did. It was for Trust Matha. So this is cow shed, completely in bamboo, and the roofing is in onduline. These were very basic details which we did then. And this is one of the bigger projects in Chandrapur, Maharashtra. There's actually a bamboo institute which is coming up there, and luckily we got to work for them. So this is one of the projects there. Yeah, so this is almost completed, finished stage. And this is our workshop here in Bangalore. It's in the outskirts. We've actually got 2 levels. So if you can see the ground floor, and then you get on top for the mezzanine. This is another interesting project we're working on, again, outskirts of Bangalore. This is for Bhagilakshmi Foods. I think people here will know. It's a huge pavilion. It's on a hillock, and this is for our toilets at our company. So we used wattle and daub method, but we used cement instead of mud. These are some of our furniture pieces. Oh, I think I missed out. Yeah, okay. So, and this is an other work we had done. Okay, so this one was actually elevated skywalk. The clients were very keen on having bamboo. They have also built their structure with hollow clay blocks, stone, and all that. So they wanted this also to complement their structure. We've also conducted several workshops for college students, for several colleges. Yeah, yeah. I think currently we're working on few resorts which are in design stage. Yeah, I think that's it from my side.
It's very interesting. Yes. Yeah. Then, how you thought that as a woman, like how I asked to her the same question, like how you inspire the younger generation of women architects to take up their own passion and move forward. A lot of people
Okay.
doesn't work on how what is their passion. Instead they just go for job whichever they are being recruited, and
Mhm.
they just move on with that, but they fail to
Mhm.
understand what is their inner passion and then work for it. So how would you
Yeah.
suggest for them?
Okay. I think this is a basic question, and it depends on your choices and how you your priorities. I have had friends who just wanted to, like easily go around and like have a fun uh, paying job and then just enjoy. So I think it completely depends on how passionate you are and how much you're willing to follow it, willing to compromise, willing to sacrifice, and yeah, like how much you love what you want to do. I think that is the thing.
Okay, that's nice. Like, what is your future goal? Like, what you wanted to do something bigger in what you're doing right now? Is there
Okay.
something
So
like?
for us, future goal is I think most of you have seen structures that keep coming up in Bali, um, and all those Southeast Asian countries, and they're
Yeah.
amazing the way they work with bamboo. So we plan somewhere, I think in near future, we plan to get some of those elements or design techniques or design those type of design here in India. And I would say it's a little tricky because people here still think, oh, it's a cheap material, anyone can do it, which is not. I mean, if you want to construct a small shed or something, yes, absolutely. But to construct something to that level, it is difficult here.
Okay. You mean it's costly or it's structurally difficult?
Structurally, it's possible, but then you will need lot more material than what those guys have. Bamboo is completely different. The species we get here and the species they get there is different,
Different.
and even the climatic conditions for the growth is different. So here, getting that could be challenging, and it might not be that sleek what you see there, but here it could be a little bulky. You might have to bundle the bamboos.
Okay.
labor also, because there, no, everyone knows how to work with bamboo. Here, not everyone knows. So that also could be one of the reasons.
Okay, that's nice. So how? Okay, now your husband is also being with you. It's going fine. Like both are doing well. Then how it was
Mm.
previously? Was your family and all the friends supportive to you to do what you really wanted to do?
Yes, I think my family has always been supportive. They've pushed me forward in everything. Yeah, I think like Vishnupriya was mentioning, for a girl, I think you have multiple roles to play. I think that's where we kind of probably would fall short.
Yeah,
Look after home, then again work. But yeah, if you have enough help at home, I don't think that will be an issue also.
yeah, that's true. Okay, thank you so much, Listen, for sharing your views. Is there anything that you wanted to share?
No, for all the young people there, I would say just go and achieve whatever you're passionate about. Only if you're passionate about, if you're really passionate about it, then I think without putting any efforts, you will be there. Just follow your dreams.
Thank you. That's true. Thank you so much for
Yeah.
inspiring us.